everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Paul Sample. In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple but effective method to make money online for free. This is a very easy way to make money online that I'm going to show you. Anyone can do this method and start making money worldwide. Now, you can do that by helping YouTubers. So if you come to YouTube, you'll find these pictures and specifically are called thumbnails. These are very easy to make, and there are free websites that you can use to make this and sell for $5, for $15, depending to the nature of customers that you are working with. So you can help creating this picture that you see here on YouTube, and you can design this just for 5 minutes, just 4 minutes, and sometimes even 3 minutes, and get or earn $5 of up to $15 just for 5 minutes, helping the YouTubers or other content creators. Now, where can you get these YouTubers? Now, YouTubers usually go to famous websites that they get this kind of service. Now, there is any need, of course, I'm going to show you. Stick to the end of this video because I'm going to show you everything step by step. And if there are people who are making money or not, I can guarantee that there are so many people who are making money easy like this. Just for 5 minutes, you can create this just for 5 minutes and just using free websites. Now, let me show you one of the websites that you can create your profile there and YouTubers will find you there. Let me show you. One is called Fiverr. Fiverr is a very famous website that those who have talents do sell their skills here. Now, if you check those who are creating these thumbnails, if you type here thumbnails, I've typed thumbnails, I've got these results. As you can see, this one has said, I will design amazing YouTube thumbnail in 3 hours, and has got 1K plus and have five ratings. So the rating is very high. This one also, he says, I will design 3 viral and eye-catching YouTube thumbnails, and for $10. This one also $10. This one $5. This one $25. So you can see there are different pricing here. Some are just charging $10. You see, simple creating like this one. So if you are a graphic design, it's very simple to design. Even if you don't have you can learn even within 2 hours to design this. It's not such difficult. I'm going to show you. Stay to the end because I'm going to show you everything. As you can see here, also this one charges $10. This one $5. This one $25. To verify if there is a need or not. You can see this one has 1K customers, 1K plus customers. This one has got 1K plus customers. This one 1K plus customers. This one 250 customers. Let me show you another. This one 638 customers. This one 1K customers. So there are so many customers, and the YouTubers do come here. I will show you another website that the YouTubers use to outsource the thumbnails or the service that they want is this website. It's called People Per Hour. People Per Hour is less competitive when you compare to other platforms. What does it mean? Here it's more easier for beginners to start to get customers instantly when you compare to other platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Here it's a bit easier to get customers because the creators are not many when you compare to other platforms. Now, do we have other creators? Yes, there are few, but that's why even the price here is a bit high. The creators, as you can see here, this one charges $20. This one $50. This one $10. This one $15. Why the price is very high? So the competition has not become such huge here on this platform. So this is an advantage for you because you can start getting customers instantly. It's easy to be seen in this platform. So this one charges 40 US dollars, this one 50 US dollars, just creating thumbnails, simple thumbnail like that. This one 20 US dollars. So I'm showing you the truth because as you can see here, this one charges 150 US dollars, this one uh, 10 US dollars, this one 375 US dollars, this one 15, as you can see. So they they charge a bit reasonable price here. This one 8 US dollars, 80 US dollars, this one 30 US dollars, this one 30 US dollars, this 20 US dollars. So as you can see, you can excel even using this platform. So it's up to you. Another platform is Upwork. So if you want to check also, but Upwork, there's huge competition. So I can advise you to use either Fiverr or People per Hour. Now you may be asking, what are the tools that you can use to create these thumbnails that I've shown you, that other creators are using, or other designers are using? Now you can use this platform. This website is called Canva. Now they have a web version, also they have a mobile version or an app, and can be found on Android, also on iPhone. Now, if you check here the templates, they have almost everything. So you can create Instagram story, Instagram posts, whatever, YouTube ad, video ad, whatever. So there are so many issues that, and also the good thing here is that also there is a free version that you can do everything just for free version. And Canva is just an alternative to Photoshop because Photoshop is very complicated. It's not user friendly for especially to people who are not tech savvy. So this Canva is very user friendly. So even if you are not a tech savvy, you can use this Canva. So majority are using this Canva to create their designs.